I don't want to sweat again. That was exactly what the customer of mine said to me. And he has the money. And I was like, okay, I'm going to give you something that as long as you turn it on, you're never going to sweat again. He was like, okay. Then I gave him the 2 horsepower inverter floor standing Skyron AC. His parlor is very big, so he needed something that's going to make his parlor cool. He just sent me the money and I took the AC to his house. He was not around, but he found a way to put the AC inside his house with the help of his gate man. He literally used 1 stone to kill 2 birds because he was out making money and his AC was still delivered to his house. If you want your AC delivered to you, send me a DM and I'm going to help you with that.